Candidate, please pick your question.
All right. How are you, Miss Rosario?
Actually, I'm feel pressured right. I feel pressured right now because I'm candidate number
All
one.
right.
But I think I can do it.
Yes, that's
Yes,
the
guys,
spirit.
Okay, Miss Rosario, here is your question. What is your greatest strength? What is your greatest strength?
All of us have our own strengths and weaknesses. And for me, my greatest strength is believing in myself because I'm a victim of bullying. Ever since I was a kid, I always doubted myself. And I feel this kind of sadness when people look down on me. But I told to myself that if I believe in myself, I can do everything and I can rise above any challenge. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number one, Binibining Rosario. Now let's welcome candidate number two. Please speak your microphone. And of course, your question. How are you, Miss Comelia South?
Actually, sir, I feel pressured.
Okay, it's okay to be pressured. Here is your question. If you were granted one wish, what would you wish for? I repeat, if you were granted one wish, what would you wish for?
If I were granted one wish, it would be for our municipality, Cervantes, Ilocos Sur, to become what it envisioned itself, to be a progressive and resilient community with God-loving people, wherein we, the Cervantinians, could experience a better quality of life through unity, good governance, and sustainable development. That's all. Thank you.
Wow, Camellia South came prepared. Now, let's have our Binibini number three, Binibini Libang. You can now pick your question, Binibini Libang. All right, so here is your question, Binibini Libang. What makes a person a good friend? Again, what makes a person a good friend?
What makes a person a good friend is someone who I can run to and someone who will not tolerate my actions. And everybody is deserved to be a good friend. And you will just show it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number three. Now let's have candidate number four. Kindly pick your question, candidate number four. This is your question. What is your dream job and why? What is your dream job and why?
My dream job is to become a soldier. First of all, I want to serve our country. And I want also to become a hero of my own. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibining Malaya. Now let's have our next Binibini. Binibini number five, Miss Dinwiddie East. You can now pick your question, Miss Dinwiddie East. Kumusta naman ang Miss Dinwiddie East? Parang hakot niya ang kayang buong barangay. Let me have your question.
Okay, allow me to read the question kasi sa akin binigay. How will you promote tourism in our town? How will you promote tourism in our town?
First of all, I must love the nature that you have in our own area. Pardon.
Your 45 seconds is up. Thank you very much, candidate number 5, Miss Dinwiddie East.
Now let's have our next Binibini. Our Binibini number 6. Okay, you can now pick your question, Binibini number 6. And your mic as well. How are you, Miss Camillas North?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm doing good. Thank you.
Wow, very confident, our Miss Camillas North. So here is your question. Since you look very happy tonight, what makes you happy? That is the question. What makes you happy?
What makes me happy is when I share the joy in me with other people that can inspire them and empower them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibining Camillas North. Now let's have Binibining Concepcion. You may now pick your question. Okay, this is your question. How do you define beauty? I repeat, your question is, how do you define beauty?
Beauty for me is more than what meets the eye and what our heart lies. So if a person has the character to be a good person, to be humble and to be compassionate, I believe that is the true beauty that no one can take away from us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, our Binibining Concepcion. Now let's have on stage our next Binibini, Binibining Aluling. You can now pick your question. Where are the supporters of Binibining Aluling? All right. Here's your question, Binibining Aluling. What does success mean to you? What does success mean to you?
For me, success is not measured by title, wealth, or recognition, but the impact we create on the lives of others. It is waking up every day with purpose, knowing that we are growing, learning, and creating a positive impact. True success is when you rise despite of all challenges. Stay grounded on your values and use your achievements to uplift others. Because success is not all about how far you go or what you gain, but it is how many people you bring with you and how you use it to make difference in the lives of others. Thank you.
That's success indeed. Thank you very much, candidate number 8. Now let's welcome on stage candidate number 9.
Sa akin binigay, Sir Carl.
It's okay.
All right, here is your question, Binibining Remedios. Who is your biggest inspiration and why? Who is your biggest inspiration and why?
My biggest inspiration is seeing a family complete and happy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am a product of a broken family. I know what it feels like to be different. But despite that, I still choose to stand up and fight. And to be a reminder to all of you that no dream is impossible when you make a way to make it possible. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9 from Barangay Remedios. Now may we have candidate number 10 from Dinwiddie West. You may now pick a question, candidate number 10. Okay, allow me to read your question twice. Who is your biggest role model and why? Who is your biggest role model and why?
Among all the role models I consider, my biggest role model is my mother. She once suffered depression, but he chose not to back out, not to be enslaved by that depression. He chose to fight, to get better, for her to take care of us family, and to make sure that she will always be with us no matter what. And she will always be with us, watching us grow and have a better future. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibining Dinwiddie West. Now let's have on stage our next Binibini, Binibini 11. Again, nasaan ang mga taga San Luis?
Okay, this is your question, Binibining San Luis. What is your motivation in joining this competition? What is your motivation in joining this competition?
Thank you for that question. So I have always been motivated by my dreams and by the vision that I have seen myself in the future. And this is what motivated me right now, because I am not just motivated by personal goal, but rather by purpose. And joining this Miss Binibining Cervantes, I was able to share and I was able to serve also, of course, the others. And through this, I was able to share what I have and who I am to each and every one of you. And I would like also each and everyone here, also the youth, of course, to be motivated by yourself. And
Thank you very much, our Binibining 11. Are you motivated? Oy, maraming motivated. Now let's have our next Binibini, Binibini 12. Oh, asan naman daw ang supporters ng Philippines? Okay, we heard you, Pilipil. Now here is your question, Miss Pilipil. How do you handle challenges in life? How do you handle challenges in life?
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I handle motivation. Sorry, ma'am. Please repeat the question.
Challenges.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I handle my challenges in life first by praying, then by looking at my inspiration. Just example, my family. For example, my family, when I am facing challenges in my life, I'll just look at them and tell myself that I can do this because I need to. Because I need to overcome it so that
Thank you very much, Binibini number 12. Now let's have Binibini number 13. Where are the supporters of Barangay San Juan?
Alright, Binibining San Juan. Kumusta ka?
Okay naman po.
Paano yung okay?
Okay na kinakabahan.
Okay na kinakabahan siya. Okay, here is your question, Miss San Juan. What makes you unique from the other candidates? What makes you unique from the other candidates?
What makes me unique from the other candidates is my ability to turn the struggles into my strength. As you can see that I am not the usual standard to join Binibining Cervantes, but here I am showing that I have confident courage and the ability to join this one and to be able to win, showing that I can be confidently beautiful, not just in the appearance but also within, because true beauty sees within. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 13, confidently beautiful within.
Oy, confidently beautiful. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates and their casual interview. And it's very true, partner, what Catriona Grea said before during the search for Miss Ilocos Sur. Na dito natin